Let's talk about KitchenCraft chrome-plated wire mesh cake cooling rack trivet, 46 by 25.5 centimeters, 18 by 10 rectangular. The heavenly aroma of home baking. From rich fruit loaves to light Victoria sponges, this rack cools your cakes quickly and evenly. Built for large, heavy cakes, and big, home-baked loaves. It won't bend or buckle, thanks to its extra strong design. When you're making cupcakes or scones, grab this rack. Its close mesh grid supports small baked goods, so they won't tip as they cool. Protect precious work surfaces from burns and scorches. Use this wire rack as a trivet when you're serving a hot pot, curry or stew. This large baking rack measures 46 by 25.5 centimeters, 18 by 10. It's dishwasher safe and comes with a 12-month guarantee. You've all seen Bake Off. Be your own Rahul with this rack. Nothing's cooler than cooling racks. Used for wok display. Large in size. Heavy, good quality.